Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your kitchen. Today, we're diving into the best pink knife set on the market. The pink knife set with magnetic knife block by Styled Settings. If you've been looking for a stylish, functional, and high-quality knife set to complement your kitchen decor, you're in for a treat. Let's take a closer look at why this pink and gold beauty is a must-have. First, let's talk about the design. The pink knife set features a stunning pink and gold color scheme that will instantly brighten up your kitchen. These knives aren't just for functionality, they're a statement piece. Whether you're someone who loves vibrant kitchen accessories or someone who enjoys a more coordinated look, this knife set will elevate the aesthetic of any countertop. Plus, the knives are displayed in a sleek ashwood magnetic knife block, which not only adds to the aesthetic but also ensures your knives are easily accessible and safe. Now, we all know that beauty isn't everything. Performance matters, and this knife set does not disappoint. The set includes 6 high-quality stainless steel knives, an 8-inch chef's knife, an 8-inch bread knife, an 8-inch carving knife, a 5-inch utility knife, a 3.5-inch paring knife, and the stylish ashwood magnetic block to store them. Each knife is forged for durability, strength, and long-lasting sharpness. The full tank construction provides excellent balance, and the ergonomic handles offer a comfortable grip, ensuring precision and safety with every cut. The magnetic knife block is a standout feature. Not only does it keep your knives neatly organized and accessible, but it also protects them from getting dull. The streamlined design makes cleaning easy, and with no slots to get dirt or grime stuck in, it's a practical and low-maintenance addition to your kitchen. No more rummaging through kitchen drawers looking for your knives. Everything you need is right there, on display. The pink knife set isn't just about looks, it's built to last. The knives are designed for optimal performance, with stainless steel blades that maintain their sharpness even with frequent use. Whether you're chopping, slicing, or dicing, these knives will get the job done efficiently and effectively. Beyond the kitchen, this knife set makes an excellent gift for anyone who loves cooking or anyone looking to update their kitchen tools. It's perfect for weddings, housewarmings, birthdays, or even as a treat for yourself. The unique pink and gold design pairs beautifully with other pink or gold kitchen accessories, so you can easily create a coordinated look in your kitchen. In conclusion, if you're searching for the best pink knife set that combines stunning design with top-notch performance, the pink knife set with magnetic knife block by Styled Settings is a perfect choice. It's not just about making your kitchen look amazing, it's about giving you the best tools to cook and create. Don't miss out on this beautiful set that combines luxury, practicality, and style all in one. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And let us know in the comments if you'd love to see more kitchen gadgets. See you next time.